Hello everyone, welcome to Cambridge Primary Science Stage 5, Chapter Investigating Plant Growth. Today we are going to discuss about what do plants need to grow. These are some of the points related to plants. The factors plants need are water, warmth, light, energy and air. Plants need energy from light to grow. Plant growth is affected by temperature. Plant needs certain things from the environment and these things we call as factors, and without these factors plant will not grow well or they might die. Plants need water so that they can have the strong stems and firm leaves. Plants use water to transport the substances like food to all the parts of the plant. Most plants grow best when they get the warmth. Most grow better if it is not too hot or too cold. Plants make their own food. They need light energy for this. A plant that does not get light energy grows long, thin stems, becomes weak and dies. Plants are the living things. Living things need air, and the plants without air will die. Plants need the energy in sunlight to make the food in their leaves. Plants always grow towards a source of light energy. So these are the points related to plants. Can you think of any plant that don't grow in soil? Most plants grow in soil, but there are some of them which don't grow in soil. Let's discuss about that. Not all the plants need soil. For example, the water lilies and lotus plant grow in water. They absorb water through their roots directly from the water, not from the soil like other plants. Some crop plants like lettuces and some herbs are grown in a solution of water and minerals, and this type of plant cultivation is called hydroponics. Epiphytic plants such as orchids grow on trees not in soil. However, most plants do not need soil to grow well. There are some of the misunderstandings and misconceptions. There is a misunderstanding that plant requires specific amount of water and light, but in actual different plants require varying amount of water and light. For example, cactus require far less water less than a tomato plant. Some plants require direct sunlight while others grow better in shade. This is an activity related to plant growth. Ashok and his friends grew some plants in pots. Ashok put his plant in a sunny place, water twice a week. Marco put his plant in a shady place, water twice a week. Leo put his plant in a sunny place but forgot to water it, and Tarek kept his plant under the bed and watered twice a week. So after 2 weeks they measured how much their plants had grown. Ashok, Marco, Leo and Tarek, their plants looked green and healthy. Ashok's plant and centimeter growth of plant is 25 centimeter. Marco lighter green and quite healthy and this 18 centimeter. Leo dry and brown 6 centimeter. Tarek, how plant look is thin and weak and 14 centimeter. So these are the growth of the plant, and Ashok plant growth is the highest one, that is 25 centimeter. Whose plant grew the best? Ashok's plant. These are the questions related to the previous activity. Whose plant grew the worst? That is the Leo's plant. Why did Leo plant look dry and brown? Because he did not water the plant. Why was Marco's plant smaller than Ashok's plant? Because he put his plant in shade. When you put your plant in shade, it did not get as much light as the other plant, that is Ashok's plant. Explain why Tarek's plant was thin and weak. Because his plant got a very little light as it was under the bed. Predict the height of a plant placed in a greenhouse and watered. Explain your prediction. It can be any height taller than 25 centimeter, that is the height of the Ashok plant. That because the greenhouse, the plant height is taller than the Ashok's plant. Because in the greenhouse, it gets lots of light and warmth. So that's why it is taller than the Ashok's plant. Thank you so much. Hope you like this video. Do subscribe and like my channel. Bye bye.